This is Note 360, our flagship product, which is integrated into Athena Health, which is one of the biggest EHR in the ambulatory space. Kathy Walsh is a mock patient. As you could see here, she has several medical health issues. She's on several medications, and unfortunately, these medications are not categorized based upon the disease states. And retrieving this information in a logical fashion and making clinical decisions, it takes time consuming for the physician. It bears a cognitive burden. And also there's a lot of data buried in the unstructured notes. CareHealth solves this problem. It is integrated within Athena Health, opens within the patient's context, uses powerful APIs to retrieve patient data and display information based upon the physician who is seeing the patient. Say in this scenario, this patient is being seen by endocrinologists like me. I'm interested in treating certain disease states like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol. So it gives me information pertinent to this. It makes an API call and brings that information regarding what type of complications this patient has from diabetes, what type of lab workup is available for diabetes control. It also categorizes the medications based upon the disease states. This basically saves a lot of time for the physician who is managing the patient. In addition to this, it then gathers all this information and organizes this into a well organized, structured note. As you can see here, this patient has high blood pressure, and it gives the list of medications the patient is currently on for the blood pressure, and it makes a recommendation to continue the blood pressure medication regimen. Same thing with diabetes, hypothyroidism, hyperlipidemia. Typically, it takes me anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes to generate these notes. By using Care Health Note 360, we're able to cut down this time to 2 or 3 minutes per patient. The physician can use the voice to dictation feature and make corrections. Uh, Agree with the plan, continue the current diabetes regimen, and once he is satisfied with these notes, he can click this, and that directly is imported into the patient's chart.